Di pala na-on ang aking headphone. Sorry. Good evening. Here in the USA, it's 11:53 in the evening. Malapit na po mag-12 midnight. All right. And also in the Philippines, I believe it's 4 o'clock, 3 a.m. na pa, ay 3 p.m. po. Okay, we will share this one to our group. Just a minute, guys. Share natin. Okay, kumusta po ang lahat, mga ka-Live Good? Happy Monday! Ito po ay ginawa ko para sa ating team, no? Para mabilis po ang ating pag-share dito po sa ating negosyo. Alright, shout out to our team in the Philippines, sa team po ni Coach Bernie, Coach Tan, and also ni, sino po yung mga, ang dami nating mga members doon. Actually, may 10 group chat po tayo, no? So, hindi ko ma-send sa lahat ng group chat. Anyway, sa Team Eagle, okay? Shout out po, okay? Live Good GIB team, Elevating Lives, shout out po. Team Phenomenal Live Good, shout out po. Live Good Changing Lives, shout out po. And my Live Good Success team. So, mga 10 team yata po ito sa atin group in the Philippines. Alright, so today po, no, we will present about yung Live Good na business po natin. Okay, share screen ko na po. Okay, nakikita na po ba yung screen? Okay, I think it's good. Alright, and then click present. Okay, so here guys, no, I will make this very short and simple to present, okay? Bibilis-bilisan lang natin kasi 12 midnight na po dito. Alright guys, our company is Live Good, launching in your city. The membership club that pays, okay? Team Infinite Global, that is my team here in the USA and also in the Philippines. Okay, actually, we have a different name sa team natin, no, para ma-distinguish natin yung per group kasi medyo lumalaki na po yung organization natin. Okay, so this is Girly from California, USA, and I am your Live Good coach. Okay, Live Good po, no, is a subscription-based company offering our members privileges to save up to 75% less price compared to our competitors brand, right? So today po, no, we already have 1.2 million members and 100 plus diamonds in this company. Imagine that, guys. 1 year and 5 months na po tayo and umabot na po tayo ng 100 plus diamonds and 2 crown diamond in the whole whole Live Good, no? Whole Live Good organization. So, 1 crown diamond nasa Philippines, ang isang crown diamond po nasa USA. All right. Oh, by the way, we started from health and wellness product, but later on our company, we will have more products soon. According to our CEO, magkakaroon po tayo ng 200 to 300 products. Okay, in 2 to 3 years. That is his goal. So for today, for the meantime, mga 20 plus products na po tayo. No? I think 25 na kasi dumadami na ang ating products at ilalabas pa po yung ibang products po natin. Okay, si Live Good po ay isang membership club. Okay, so but here in Live Good, no need na po kayo bibili ng product packages, no monthly auto ship, no volume required, okay, and no quota kasi hindi po ito binary, okay, unlike other companies. Hindi rin ito required na purchase ka buwan-buwan. So you have the freedom to purchase anytime you want, no? Just pay the 9.95 monthly subscription and you get discount sa ating product at naka-on po lagi yung business ninyo. So here po sa baba, makikita po ninyo yung ating yung mga iba't ibang subscription-based company like Costco, Amazon, Zoom, Netflix, Shopify, Wix. Okay, so monthly po yan, no? Magbabayad din po kayo dyan pag nakasubscribe po kayo. Here in YouTube, take a look po. It's 11.99 monthly subscription and they have 30 million members. Napakarami po. Akala ko noon si YouTube wala siyang subscription, meron pala. Kasi 'di ba po napansin niyo si YouTube meron po siyang mga ads. So to get, away of the ads 'no, you have to subscribe para hindi kayo ma-distract, okay? That's 11.99 per month. Then si Amazon Prime din 'no, here in the USA, very sikat itong si Amazon Prime kasi, most people here just online shop 'no, nag-o-online shopping lang. Like us, we don't go to the grocery. Mostly sa Amazon kami bumibili 'no, ng aming ah, mga, needed na mga gamit or something like that. Okay, that's 14.99 per month and then 161 million members po 'no, ang member ni Amazon, as of now. Okay, when Amazon started ano, nag-start lang po sila, sa books. Okay, and then, in 2 years' time saka pa lang sila nagkaroon ng 1 million members. Imagine that guys, si Live Good guys, 1 year pa lang pero nagkaroon na po tayo ng 1 million members and counting na po kasi 1.2 million members na po tayo ngayon at nagsisimula pa po si Live Good. Okay, Netflix, ito pong si Netflix, okay, tingnan niyo po. That's 9.99 per month or $15 or $19 per month. Okay, with 32 million members. Okay, ang sa Netflix. Yan, si Sam's Club, 100 per year, pero nagkaroon sila ng 47 million members. Costco naman, no, it's like an SNR sa Philippines. That's $120 per year para maka-discount no, sa mga products ni Costco. And that, umabot po sila ng 123 million members. So, ano pong ibig sabihin nito, guys? Nagsisimula pa po si Live Good. So, may chance pa po tayo 'no, aabot tayo ng mga ganitong numbers. And we are very lucky na tayo po yung nauna 'no, nauna na check at nakapag-subscribe dito po sa Live Good. Kasi we are going to have, discount sa mga products at the same time meron pong opportunity na ibinigay si Live Good. So how much cost po involved here in, joining Live Good? If you are an affiliate 'no, puwede po kayong mag-affiliate, may one-time affiliate fee of $40. Okay, and, we have a monthly subscription of $9.95. Okay, if you pay for a yearly subscription, that's $100, makaka-discount po kayo ng $20. And then, what do I get for the 49.95? No, first, makaka-access po kayo sa membership club. You get discount sa ating mga product. And then second, magkakaroon po kayo ng digital marketing products. Ano po yung digital marketing products? Yung e-commerce shop, magkakaroon po kayo niyan. And then, yung marketing funnel po, no, lead capture page. Dati-dati, nag-join po ako sa isang company na gumagawa ng mga funnels and nagme-maintain ako doon ng $30 no, to promote the business at the same time use the funnel. And, mahirap po siyang gawin actually 'no, especially for me na first timer na gumagawa ng funnel. Complicated pala siya at mga 1 month ko 'yun na inaral 'no, para magkaroon ako ng own na funnel ko. Here in Live Good po kakaiba kasi once you are, an affiliate and naka-subscribe po kayo sa 9.95, magkakaroon na po kayo ng ready funnel na puwede ninyong i-share sa lahat ng mga tao. So, super easy na po 'no, kasi, ginawa na po ni Live Good lahat para sa atin na mapadali po yung ating trabaho. And then next is you can participate in the compensation plan here in Live Good. So Liquid is an e-commerce or digital business. Magkakaroon kayo ng personal shop, no need for web designer. In demand po yung ating mga products kasi nakakamura po tayo. And then we are open in 200 plus countries and dito po ay you get paid weekly and monthly. So ito po guys, no, I'm just comparing, no, dati-rate pag nag-iisip po tayo ng negosyo, no, ang lagi po nating naiisip yung traditional store 'no, Pinoy sari-sari store. And then, here now, kasi, tayo ay modern na, modern times, okay, meron na po tayong e-commerce store here in Live Good and then magkakaroon po kayo ng mga link, yung mga website na puwede ninyong i-share sa customers ninyo, sa friends ninyo, sa mga kakilala ninyo or sa social media para mapadali po yung negosyo ninyo. So ito po yung examples ng ating mga link 'no. We have the funnel, yung tour link, and then corporate link para lang sa mga members. Shop link para lang sa gustong mag-shop at SRP price. And then we have separate link sa ating Super Reds at Super Greens. Kasi napakaganda po talaga ng Super Reds and Super Greens natin. In fact, yan po yung dalawang dahilan bakit ako napa-join dito po sa Libud. So our team, here is our CEO, si Ben Glensky po, no? With over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. Ben knows how to help people win, no? Alam na po talaga niya ang ganito pong klase ng negosyo. Kaya po naisipan po nila na magtayo ng ah, new business na hindi po kagaya ng dating business na madami pong sakit sa ulo, okay? Sakit sa ulo like yung mga auto ship, yung overpriced product, 'di ba? Yun, sakit sa ulo yun sa atin mga networkers. And then ito po si Dr. Ryan Goodkin, siya naman po yung Director of Development natin, Product Development, with a doctorate in pharmacy from Palm Beach Atlantic University and a degree in Science and Nutrition from Florida State University. Ryan has a unique background of being both a natural health practitioner as well as a pharmacist. Kaya magaling po to si Dr. Ryan. Very meticuloso po siya sa mga products. And then si Lisa Goodkin, that's his wife, no, Director of our Product Education with a master's degree in exercise physiology, a degree in science and nutrition, and over 20 years of experience in the health and wellness industry. Lisa knows what works and what doesn't work for people of all levels of health and fitness, no? So meron na po talagang experience din si Lisa kasi isa po siyang health coach. Alright, ayan, sino pong nanonood? Di ko po ma-check. Let me check po. Saglit. Okay, please share po yung video para po makita ng team po ninyo. Alright, si Nader Kazan din naman is Director of Network Marketing. He's a legend in the network marketing industry. Nader has coached, trained, and helped thousands of people be better, do better, and achieve more than ever thought they could. Okay? Nader is a true leader and a friend to everyone. Napakabait po nito si Nader, very approachable. Andito po sa Live Good, dito ko lang po na experience, no, na yung corporate team na reach out po ninyo. Na-reach out ko na si Dr. Ryan, si Lisa at si Nader. Okay, at even si Lisa, nag-a-ask ako ng questions about sa ating mga products. And then si Nader naman doon sa marketing side. All right. So here in Live Good po, no, quality yung ating mga products at an affordable price. Our mission is very simple, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Okay, we are located in Jupiter, Florida, USA. Dalawa na po yung ating warehouse dyan. And we have also one warehouse in Germany na nagfulfill po sa ating international orders. Alright? And then, nag-start po tayo last December 13, 2022. So, doon po tayo ng 1 million members noong January. Exactly January po, nagkaroon po tayo ng 1 million members. So our products are made in USA, certified GMP. GMP means good manufacturing practice. Kaya ang ibig sabihin po niyan ay our products are consistently produced by consistently produced, no? At chinek po yung talagang quality ng ating mga products. And we have a tested laboratory na nagte-test, no, sa ating mga products for purity and potency ng ating mga products. And in fact, doon po sa ating website, makikita po ninyo yung certificate of analysis ng ating mga product. Okay, we have a 90-day money back guarantee with all our products. Okay, FDA disclaimer lang po, no, to all our products, these statements have not been evaluated by FDA. These products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. So ipapakita ko lang po yung mga examples ng ating product na nasa ating shop. Okay, we have organic super reds. Organic super reds is good for your heart health. This is only $18. Napakamura po. And it is certified organic. And then we have super greens. This is good for your gut health or your digestive system. Okay, that's $18 din. Napakamura. In fact, ito talagang super reds ang aking hinahanap, guys, kasi I have some digestive issues. And dati-rati na po ako bumibili ng Super Reds. Ito po kasing Super Reds, I mean Super Greens, um, nagka-help po siya sa aking digestive health. At yung dati ko pong mga company, na sinalihan ko ng Super Greens, medyo pricey po yung mga price, like $50 to $100. So nung nakita ko po ito, dito po sa Live Good, namangha po ako sa price. Kasi that's only $18, and then tiningnan ko po yung ingredients, napakaganda po. Mostly, ng mga products na ti ah, ti na tini-take ko ay nandoon na sa ating Super Greens, plus meron pa siyang aloe vera. In fact, ako ay nagtanim talaga ng aloe vera 'no, kasi kinakain ko 'yan. Dito po 'no sa Super Greens, all-in-one na siya, meron na siyang aloe vera, meron pa siyang lactobacilli, okey, meron pa siyang other ingredients ng mga greens, merong barley, merong, spinach na 'yan, marami po doon na ingredients ng ating Super Greens. Napakaganda po. So check it in our website, the ingredients. I will not explain further about it. Okay, we have also our organic coffee. Napakaganda din po ng ating organic coffee. It's only $17.95. This is good for supporting a healthy mood, focus, and mental clarity and weight management. And ito po maganda guys kasi meron po itong mushrooms, functional mushrooms. Okay? And it is really organic. Sa likod ng bottle, meron po makikita doon na certified organic po siya. Okay? Yun palang mga coffee kasi, kahit sa mga market na nakikita po natin, 'di po kasi 'yan mga organic, and, mostly 'pag 'di po organic, gumagamit po sila ng mga pesticide 'no. So may mga other chemicals na, napupunta po sa coffee. So it's good to have an organic coffee 'no, kasi ito pong coffee ay lagi po nating kino-consume, especially sa mga Filipinos. We are really, really fan of drinking coffee, and I am also a coffee lover too. Nung na-try ko itong ating organic coffee, napakasarap po siya. Hindi po siya matapang, and, since I have some gut issues, hindi po din siya, nag-react sa aking tummy. That's what I experience, okay. We have also here our plant-based protein, that's $22 lang po 'no. Plant-based meaning, ito po ay galing siya sa hemp protein at saka fermented pea protein. At, I was amazed kasi hindi po siya, yung other protein kasi hindi maganda yung lasa. Ito po yung ating protein, vanilla flavor po ito 'no. It helps rebuild and restore muscles and joints, build and maintain lean muscle, and fortified with essential amino acids. All right. Next, we have also collagen peptides. Okay. Collagen is good for your hair, skin, and nails. It's a type 1 and type 3 collagen. Okay. Other brand, napakamahal po, $69 or $79. Here in Live Good, it's only $27.95. Okay. For members. Right. And then we have this factor 4. Ang factor 4 po, maganda po siya sa inflammation management. Okay. So, for me, it helped a lot in my back discomfort, no? 1850, napakamura po. Yan ang ating factor 4. 4 po siya dahil may apat na ingredients na main ingredients diyan, yung fish oil, may curcumin, black pepper, and COQ10. Okay? Yun po yung mga main ingredients ng ating factor 4. Okay, here po yung available in USA, we have CBD oil. This is already organic, 14.95 lang siya, yung 750 milligrams. And then 1,500 milligrams, that's nasa $19 din, yung 1,500 milligrams. Sa dating company namin na sinalihan ng mga CBD, it costs us 70 or $50 and up yung mga CBD. Kaya napakamura po ng ating mga product dito sa Live Good. Okay? Oh, yung 1,005 milligrams is $23 pala. Okay, so we have also CBD oil for pets, no? Para sa ating mga pets, to keep them healthy, pwede po yan. And then we have also CBD relief cream, that's $17.95. Okay, haplas lang po yan. Pero ito guys, available lang po ito sa USA ha. Okay, for now. Okay, we have also multivitamins. Yung multivitamins po natin, ay 9.95 lang. Sa dating company ko pong sinalihan ng membership club, it cost me $15 for the vitamin, no, kahit member ako. Kaya mas mura pa rin po pala dito sa Live Good, no? It's 9.95. We have a multivitamin for men and multivitamin for women. Yung women naman with iron. Okay, and meron po siyang cranberry. Yeah, cranberries. Maganda po yun sa ating um, urinary tract. Okay. D3, K2, it's only 850 for members. At napakamura na yan, $850. Okay. And then we have ultra magnesium. Magnesium is really good to support your muscle, nerve, no, at saka sa energy nakakatulong din po. And then it supports over 300 enzyme reactions in the body. Especially for sleep support, no? Maganda po at mahimbing ang tulog ko pag nakakapag-magnesium po ako. It's 8.95. And then essential aminos, that's 19.95 para ito sa muscles din, no? To support your muscles. Okay? And then we have also skincare. Dalawa po yung bibilhin ninyo, that's only 24.95. If isa naman, around 14.95 siya. So, nakakamura po kayo kung dalawa ang bibilhin ninyo. Okay, we have also sleep patch. Didikit lang po ito sa katawan and energy focus patch. Okay, that's 14.95 din. Okay, pag dalawa pong bibilhin ninyo, that's 24.95. All right, and also we have nootropics. Okay, this is good for your brain and cognitive health, no, for cognitive health, no, for focus and cognition. This 12.95. Strips po siya, guys. Ganyan siya, oh, yung blue. And then i-mix mo lang siya sa water, use a straw and then sip it. Take it every other day kasi 15 lang po yung laman niya yan. But this is good for 1 month consumption na po. No? Check research methylene blue in the internet kung ano po yan at maganda pong mga uses ng methylene blue. And also in the site, makikita din po doon yung video na ginawa ni Dr. Ryan at ni Lisa Goodkin about our methylene blue. Okay, so we have also packages here in Live Good, but you're not required to buy if you don't like it, no? So you're free to choose, no, kung ano po yung product na bibilhin ninyo. Okay, here in Live Good. At hindi po tayo pinupwersa kung ano po every month na meron po tayong auto ship ng product. So we have, ito bago itong nanilabas, I think just a few months ago, creatine HMB, that's 19.95. And then E3 for energy endurance electrolytes, that's $18. And ito guys, no, mamamangha kayo, napakamura po ng ating essential oils. That's 49.95 only. 6 po yan na essential oil. Sa isang sa other company, no, may isang very sikat na company na nagbebenta ng essential oils. Yung 6 po na yan, it will cost you more than $50. In fact, mga 100 plus yun eh. Sabi nila, sabi nila. And then there's one lady na galing doon, no, nag-transfer po siya dito. Namangha po siya dahil maganda po yung quality ng ating essential oil. So dito na po siya sa Live Good at nagma-market na din po siya ng ating Live Good products. Okay? Next products to come, meron na po tayo ilalabas na household product. Okay? Cleaning products, okay? Ilalabas and ano tawag niyan? Yung mga personal consumption products like shampoo, mga ganun, lotion. And later on, dadagdag po yan ng ating company. And then ito po guys, no, we have already the vitamins for children. Actually, ni-launch na nung isang araw, mag-order pa rin ako later. That's organic po, no? Organic vitamins for kids. This is a big market for mommies. Kasi po, lahat tayo, no, mga mommies, we are looking for an organic vitamin para sa ating mga kids. Okay, we have also bagong-bago din ito ng whey protein isolate with colostrum. This is a protein drink, no? It's a chocolate flavor. It's around 800 grams yung ano niya, yung weight niya. So it's as twice as big as twice doon sa kalaki nung vanilla protein. So mas marami po itong laman. Na-try ko siya, masarap po yung protein, hindi po siya chalky. no, unlike ng other protein. Napakasarap po ng ating whey protein. And it's very, very affordable. This is only $27. And maganda po yung mga ingredients niyan. Hindi na po kayo lugi. Okay? Tingnan niyo po yan, ang mga may mga seal po yan. And then we have a certificate of analysis nasa ating website po. And then ito po yung breaking news, bagong-bago, available now, yung lean. Okay? That's 19.95. Napakamura po, no? To help your body become lean. Lean means hindi siya fatty, no? Ah, napansin ko po, no, while taking this one in 3 weeks, medyo nabawasan po yung aking mga bilbil, yung bilbil. Nabawasan konti, no? Hindi naman siya fast na abrupt. Hinay-hinay, slowly. But some people, no, talagang namangha ako, talagang lumiit sila, no? Ang bilis nila. For me naman kasi, ang iniinom ko kasi is 3 or 4 lang. Maybe yung iba kasi nag-inom po sila ng 6 kasi maximum na iinumin dito is 6 in a day. So when I started, 2 lang po yun in the first week, and then on the second week nag-increase ako ng 4, then on the third week nag-increase ako ng 6. So I'm still observing, and so far so good. Nagustuhan ko itong lean. Maganda po sa energy, and then ang himbing po ng tulog ko, and then ano po yung napansin ko? Yeah, and then hindi ako masyadong palakain, 'no, kasi yun ang problema ko, lagi akong kumakain, especially 'pag naupo dito, 'no. Siguro dahil nabo-bored ako or something like that, gusto kong kumain, 'no, parang gano'n. Pero itong lean, 'pag naka-take ako nito, parang nawawala sa isip ko yung lagi akong kumain, kain ng kain, 'no. Dito lang sa lean, you just have to drink plenty of water kasi feeling mo parang nauuhaw ka. Okay. Meron din itong, ito po yung mga ingredients niya, guys, Cha de Borée. I don't know if tama ba yung pag-pronounce ko diyan. Berberine, meron itong berberine, 'yan, and then Caralluma glucomannan, okay. Ang nagustuhan ko dito itong berberine, kasi i-search niyo 'yan bakit maganda yung berberine, okay. Ito berberine, kaya sabi ko, maganda ito. Alright, so next din ang ating coming soon products. We have ito, tapos na ito, 'no, we have Organic Children's for Kids, bagong-bago, nilabas na po. Okay, merong tayong bone density supplements. Okay, chocolate whey protein, meron na po tayo niyan. Okay, weight loss product, yeah, meron na po, nilabas na po yung lean. And then detox supplements, chili hot, ano ba 'yan, and fulvic acid, and then ito po yung ibang products na ilalabas po, 'no. So marami pa pong products ang ilalabas ni Live Good so far. So far so good, napakaganda po ng mga products. 1 year na po ako nagte-take ng mga products at nagustuhan ko po. So sino pong nanonood here, Aubrey Shai, thank you po for watching in the Philippines. Okay. So our next topic is pay plan. Okay. So here in Live Good, if you're an affiliate, you get paid po, no, for being an affiliate. Okay, income disclaimer lang po, kasi importante po ito, no. Any income or earning statements are estimated of income potential. Your income in Live Good depends on your effort, hard work, and dedication in doing your business. We don't guarantee your success or earning, okay? So this is only for educational purpose, no? Para malaman niyo po kung ano po si Live Good. Okay, we have 8 ways, 8 different ways here in Live Good, okay? Ayan, weekly fast start until to crown diamond. So isa-isahin po natin ito. Okay, fast start income. Okay, weekly fast start income, meron po kayong unlimited $25 per affiliated joins. So ang ibig sabihin po niyan, guys, sa lahat po ng na-invite po ninyo na maging affiliate dito po sa LiveGood, meron po kayo agad-agad na $25. So halimbawa po, may pumasok po na affiliate ninyo this week, okay? May dalawa. So you get 25 times 2, that's $50. So pagka next week, babayaran po kayo agad ni LiveGood ng $50, okay? So, here in LiveGood, actually, it's a uni-level program. Okay, ito pong first level, that's 50%. Yan po yung $25 na ibibigay ni LiveGood per affiliate na magjo-join po sa inyo. And then sa napansin po niyo dito, meron pong mga bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond. Ito po yung mga rank. Okay, so once you rank here in Live Good, magkakaroon po kayo ng other commission. So sa second level, ma-open po yan kung nag-bronze kayo. Okay? And then the fourth level, ma-open po yan kung nag-silver po kayo. Okay? On the sixth level or the sixth level, ma-open po yan kung nag-gold po kayo, and then platinum on the 8th level, and then diamond on the 10th level. So paramihan lang po ito guys ng members na mag-join po sa inyo or affiliates kasi unlimited $25 po yung income niyo diyan. At ito po yung first level niyo, syempre may other affiliates po sila, no? Kasi nag-join po sila as an affiliate din. You will get 10%, no? And down the line may 5%, 3%, 2, 1. So marami po 'yan, guys. Kung marami po yung affiliates na ninyo later on, no? Kasi this is a business. So dadami at dadami po yung mga affiliates ninyo. Okay, so that's $25 per referral. Okay? Ito pong number 2 is the hybrid matrix commission. Ito po yung maganda na para bonus na binigay ni LiveGood para sa lahat ng affiliates. Kasi ito po, you get paid 2.5% of all members placed under you regardless of who placed them direct or indirect. So ibig sabihin guys, kahit direct nyo siya or indirect, pag nahulog po siya doon sa matrix ninyo, babayaran po kayo ni LiveGood ng 25 cents per person. Okay, so kung may apat po dyan na nalaglag, that's $1. So, in the long run, kasi we are still starting, no? Imagine, this year we only have 1.2 million members. Di ba yung kanina in-explain ko, yung mga Costco, yung Amazon, ilang million members na po sila. So, ganun po ang mangyayari din dito po sa LiveGood. Dadami at dadami at dadami at dadami po yung magsa-subscribe sa LiveGood. And one of these days, meron at merong mahuhulog po doon sa matrix ninyo. The fastest way to build the matrix is mag-work kayo, work the business. But may mga chance din, no, yung mga apply natin kasi masisipag, may nahuhulog din sa matrix ninyo. So ganun po ang nangyari sa akin at ako po ay umabot na sa around nandito na po ako siguro sa inex ko po. Nandito na po ako sa umabot daw ng 200 plus na yung people na nahulog sa matrix ko. Ay, not 200, 800 plus na pala. 800 plus. So, umaabot na yan siya guys ng mga $200, no? Sa matrix ko. And then, ako po din ay nag-work din, no, sa matrix. But nung nagsimula din ako, kukonti pa din yung na income ko sa matrix. So what I remember sa last January, it was just $3. Okay? So this will take time guys, no? Ito po yung masasabi ko, this will take time. But guys, kung monthly mo yan marireceive, 'di ba? Napakaganda ang opportunity na binigay ni LiveGood. So for me, hindi ako nag-depend po sa matrix, no? When I started the business, nag-share lang ako ng share hanggang lumaki ng lumaki yung group ko po. Okay? Sa mga tao pong ayaw mag-share, gusto lang nila mag-affiliate, they can promote your shop link, no? And get retail sales. Kasi malaki po yung market natin. For example, here in the USA, pwede po kayong mag-focus sa USA. No? I-promote nyo lang products. If may bibili po sa shop link ninyo, you get paid. Okay? So, yan pong maganda. And then, if may mga affiliates na nag-work din, you get paid. So, yun pong maganda. So, ito po yung hybrid commission. It will take time. Yun lang pong disclaimer natin. Kasi, ang ibang tao kasi nagde-depend sila dito. Pero, actually, this will really take time. Yun lang po ang masasabi namin. But, it's happening kasi ako nga po ay meron na po akong 200 plus dito sa Matrix, okay? Sa Matrix alone. So, keep working your business and then makikita nyo lang po yung flow sa Matrix na nag-flow po siya. At ma-amaze po kayo kasi yung Matrix po, yan po yung monthly bonus na ibibigay din ni LiveGood sa atin. Okay, number 3 po, matching bonus. So, ito pong matching bonus are paid monthly the first week of each month for the previous month's matrix. Okay, so this will be paid every first week, no? First Friday of the month. Okay? Sa lahat po ng na-invite ninyo sa LiveGood, yung mga affiliates po ninyo, kung may kita na po sila sa matrix, yung in-explain ko kanina, you will get again 50%. Okay? So, halimbawa ako, di ba, may income ako doon 200 plus. Okay? So, yung nag-invite sa akin, meron siyang 100 plus buwan-buwan. So, that's extra income sa inyo. Halimbawa po, kung marami po kayong direct, may 10. Kung may 10 na matatagwa 100, o 'di ba 1,000 din 'yun? Halimbawa 10 times 100, so 1,000, 50% of that is $500. So that's leveraging. So napakaganda po ng ating matching bonus. Plus, ayan, first generation lang yung binanggit ko kasi personally enrolled ko. Dito po kayo mamamangha. Kasi 'pag silver po kayo, may additional pang 10%, may another 10% pa 'no, sa first generation, second generation. 'Pag nag-gold po kayo, merong another 5% sa first generation, second and third generation. 'Pag nag-platinum po kayo, another first, second, third. So habang tumatagal po at nagra-rank po kayo, dumarami po itong matching bonus po ninyo. Dito po yung malaking income ni Livegood. In fact, ito po talagang matching bonus, yung pinakamalaking income ni Livegood, no? If you are going to build your team. Okay? Number 4 po, ito po yung sinasabi ko, yung magkakaroon po kayo ng shop link, you will get the retail commission. So earn 50% of the difference between the member price and the retail price. Okay? So halimbawa po, yung collagen peptides, that's $27 member price, and then retail price is 34.95. So i-minus po yan, that's $7, right? So times 50%, no? Live Good will get 350 kasi nag-purchase sila online, and then 350 din sa'yo bibigyan ni Livegood. And then here in the retail commission, meron din po itong Unilevel, okay? Unilevel, so halimbawa 'pag, yung na-invite po ninyo na affiliate, meron din siyang benta, you get 10%, 'no, if you are bronze on the second level. And then silver, kung nag-silver po kayo, aabot din po 'yan ng fourth level, okay? Sa yung mga affiliates din ninyo na may na-invite, no, until the fourth level. And then gold until the sixth level, platinum until the eighth level, and then diamond until the 10th level. So malaki ito guys, no? As time passes by, okay? Gano'n naman talagang negosyo eh. Pag nagsisimula po tayo, kahit kokonti pa yung ating customers, kokonti pa ating yung members. So dito guys, paramihan lang po ng members, no? Lagi lang po tayo mag-share. Kahit mag-member lang po sila, you still get benefit, you still get paid. Kahit mag-affiliate sila, ayan, mas maganda kasi you will have your own organization and mabubuo po yung matrix po ninyo. So customer acquisition bonus, ito po yung bonus na ibinigay ni Livegood, bagong-bago po ito. Nasa lahat po ng mga first order nila, you will get 10% of that order is paid as customer acquisition bonus. And may uni-level pa po din ito until diamond. So, yan, additional income din. And then ito pong influencer bonus, okay? Ito po sa kung mahilig talagang magbenta, no? Halimbawa, yung page ninyo ay marami pong mga followers, no? May possibility. For example, nakabenta po kayo ng 2,500 minimum in a month, may additional pa po kayong 10% na additional commission. So that's yung kanina is 50%, 'di ba po, yung ating retail commission. So plus 10%, magiging 60% po yung ating commissions on personal customers. Okay? At habang lumalaki po 'yan kasi hindi naman tayo nag-stop, patuloy pa po tayo nagma-market sa Livegood. Habang lumalaki po 'yan at na-meet niyo po itong mga requirements, may additional pa po din kayong commission. Okay? Number 7 po, ito po pinaka-exciting kasi ito po talagang goal namin, maging diamond here in Livegood. Kasi once you achieve the rank as diamond, you will get at 2% of the total company sale. No, you will get a share of 2%, no, sa lahat ng total sales of all membership and product sales. So, ibig sabihin, yung nag-member at saka yung benta ng products as a whole ng company, meron po kayong 2% diyan. I-di-divide po 'yan sa lahat ng diamond. So kanina po yung mga diamond natin, ilan na po 'yun? 100 plus. So halimbawa yung total sales this month, i-divide po 'yun sa 100 plus diamonds. So another bonus po ito guys, monthly bonus, no, from the company. And then pag nag-crown diamond po kayo, another bonus ulit. That's 0.50% of the total sales of all membership and product sales get divided evenly between all qualified Crown Diamond rank affiliates. No, buwan-buwan po yan bibigay guys aside sa yung mga binanggit ko po kanina. Okay, so how do we get paid here in Livegood? Number one po, direct bank deposit po tayo sa USA, okay? In the Philippines po, no, or outside USA, bank deposit din naman po, no? But isi-set up po sa Global e-wallet powered by iPayout, okay? For the meantime, kasi yung iba, nagsisimula pa lang, sinasuggest namin na i-set up lang po muna doon sa credit wallet kasi naiipon lang doon at pwede pong gamitin yung credit wallet na pangbayad ng monthly subscription or pangbili ng product or pang-activate ng another affiliate. So, pwede po yun. Okay? If familiar po kayo sa Bitcoin, pwede din pong Bitcoin ang gamitin po ninyo sa ating pag-receive ng commission. Okay, commissions are paid every Thursday. Wala pong palya ang company guys. Lagi po silang nagsisend ng commission pag meron po kayo. Okay? So that's the beauty here in Live Good, no? We did not experience po na yung no, kagaya ng ibang company, no, na nawala yung commission, na mga ganun, di ba? So far, so good at lagi po kaming nakaka-receive. And then, yeah, every Thursday po yung commission natin. Midnight PST po dito. So mga Friday po sa inyo dyan sa Philippines. Okay, every week po yung ibibigay ni Livegood yung sa shop sales ninyo, fast start and influencer bonus. And then yung monthly bonus po, yung matrix bonus matching, bonus and diamond pool every first week of the month, first Friday po. Okay, so how to register as affiliate and member? Okay, sign up po kayo sa sponsors link or sino pong nag-share sa inyo ng video po na ito. Ang sa akin po is livegoodtour.com/username. Okay? And then mag-login po kayo sa securemyposition.com. Okay? If you want me to guide you, just message me, okay? Para hindi po kayo mahirapan. And then, pay your membership and affiliate fees using your debit card or credit card, Visa or Mastercard or Discover. Okay? In the Philippines po, suggest po namin mag-open po ng yung tinatawag na GoTime, no? I-download nyo po sa cellphone po ninyo yung GoTime Bank. Okay? Yung GoTime Bank kasi, it's a bank na naka-link din sa Robinsons, no? So kung magpunta kayo ng Robinsons, hanapin niyo po yung GoTime. Pwede po kayo doon mag-apply actually. Magdala lang po kayo ng dalawang ID, okay? And pwede po kayong mag-apply doon. It's free. It's free to apply. And pwede na po niyong loadan agad yung GoTime card. Okay? Magagamit na po yun dito sa Live Good. And then yung GoTime din, magagamit po ninyo kung mag-shop kayo doon sa Robinsons. Kasi tie-up bank po yan ni Robinsons. Okay? Ang may-ari po niyan si Goking Way. Bagong-bagong bank po yan, no? Sa Philippines. And it's free. Yun po maganda. Kaya sinasuggest po namin ng ating mga members na kukuha sila ng GoTime card. Kasi so far, so good si GoTime kasi Visa card po siya, mabilis po yung transaction. Okay? One card policy po tayo dito sa Live Good. Di po pwede yung card na gamitin sa ibang name. Okay? Pag nagamit po yan, yan na po talaga for your account. Okay? And then take note po, no, in the Philippines, please use your Philippine card kasi nangyari po dito, no, niregister ko yung sister ko, galing siya yung card niya is from the Philippines. Nagkaroon po ng fraud alert, no? Very strict po yung ating system. So, kung sa Philippines, Philippines card po. Kung nandito po kayo sa USA, USA card. Ganun po ang ating policy. At saka, makikita po yan sa system kasi very strict po yung ating system. May fraud alert system po tayo. Okay, then once you're a member, no, start sharing your shop globally. So why join Live Good, guys? No product packages, no monthly auto ship of product, no volume requirement, no points balancing, and no sales quota to rank up. And then selling is not required to earn. In fact, hindi na po ako actually nag-sell ng mga products. Share lang ako ng share sa gusto pong mag-member, no? Kasi gusto ko po silang maka-discount sa ating mga products. And then, yeah, wala na din po akong time mag-sell. So, nag-focus po ako sa pagbibuild ng aking team, no? So meron na po tayong team diyan sa Philippines, and then also growing na din po yung team natin dito sa USA. Okay, so for the meantime, tinutulungan ko yung aking team dito po sa USA kasi malaki po yung market actually sa USA. Imagine there are 4 million members po, I mean Filipinos in the USA alone. So we are the fastest growing company, 1 million members in 13 months. Okay, you can visit businessforhome.org. Makikita po ito yung mga article na ito. And then ibasahin niyo po doon. Then sa direct selling news, no, makikita din po ninyo, mayroon na pong article doon si Live Good. Okay? And then i-check po ninyo dito, no, sa scamadvisor.com. Okay, type livegood.com, makikita po ninyo yung reviews. We have a 100 per 100 trust score, meaning maganda po yung standing ng ating website at ng company. Okay? Dito lagi po akong nag-check, no? Kung may mga bagong company lumalabas, chine-check ko dyan. Makikita ninyo, magugulat kayo kasi marami dyan mga scam company. Okay. So, ito po yung mga tao guys, no? Kokonti pa lang itong pinost ko dito. But these are the people na nag-diamond na po sa Philippines. Madami na po talaga na nag-diamond. Okay? First crown diamond, si Coach Fernan. He is in the Philippines. Ano ito, mga diamond po niya. Okay? Nasa Philippines din, no? And first crown diamond natin is Tim Miller. Nandito po siya sa USA. And then si Christopher Hopkins, siya po yung ating grand upline na diamond. No? Nakalink tayo doon sa line ni Christopher Hopkins. And then Kelly Tolar, isa po siyang teacher. No? Nag-focus na din po siya dito sa Live Good. Alright, so if somebody offers you an amazing opportunity but you are not sure, okay, you can do it, say yes, and learn how to do it later according to Richard Branson. Kasi ako din po, no, I like this quote. Kasi ako din po talaga pag may nag-share sa akin, chine-check ko. Kasi who knows, baka ito po ay makapabago ng ating buhay. Alright, so thank you guys, no, for the time. Ito po sa aking StreamYard presentation. Okay, so ito na po, i-ano ko na, stop sharing ko na. Ayan, so thanks for watching everyone sa ating presentation. Shout out to Aubrey Shai Buladas. Thank you for watching, classmate. Join ka na dito, usap tayo. Alright, so shout out to Coach Bernie and to our Philippines team. No, maraming salamat po sa pag-view. Okay. Ayan, disclaimer natin. Ayan. Okay, so yun guys, no, bakit nakapasali po ako dito sa Live Good? First, gusto ko po talaga yung product kasi ako po talaga naghahanap ng mga murang product plus the opportunity kasi this is the only opportunity na nakita ko po na murang-mura po mag-start. That's $40 plus $10. So $50, magka-start na po kayo ng business globally. Okay? And then yung ang monthly subscription po ninyo, it's only $9.95. That's it. That's it. Other company, no, sinasabi nila free, ganito, pero later on, may idadagdag pa palang bibilhin or may imi-meet na requirements sa personal points, mga gano'n. May kailangan mong may quota, no, to get the certain level, mga gano'n. So napakahirap po. So far, sa aking mga partners, ito pong business na ito ay yung nakita namin na pinakamadali na. And in 1 year time, ito po nakita ko din na it's very duplicable. 'Pag, kayo po ay willing to learn, okay, meron po tayong mga weekly training sa ating, team, 'no, with Team Miller, yung Crown Diamond, every Saturday po. And then sa company din, meron din tayong mga, recorded trainings na ginawa na po ng company para hindi na po tayo mahirapan, sa pagma-market at share ng ating business. So, napakadali na po, 'no, everything is ready. Ang kulang na lang po ay tayo na mag-work at mag-share po ng opportunity na ito. And yun pong good news guys, 'no, dati-rati, 'pag naka-join tayo ng mga company, like imagine yung Amway, 'di ba? Nag-number 1 na sila ngayon. Pero how many years po silang nag-start, 'no? Nung na-invite po kayo sa other company, okay, tayo po laging nasa huli. So we're very lucky na tayo po ang nauna in this this time po 'no, tayo pong nauna at nakaalam kay Live Good. Kaya grab it talaga kasi timing is perfect. Sabi nga ni Nader, timing is, now, okay. Ngayon po ang good timing na mag-start po kayo kasi first year pa lang po tayo, magse-second year pa lang po tayo. At ito po yung good news, may ilalabas po na marketing system si Livegood. So 'pag nailabas 'yan guys, ang ibig sabihin nun, mag-a-advertise po si Livegood 'no, and then yung link po ninyo ang ipapakita sa mga tao 'no. Of course meron yung bayad but very minimal, pero 'pag nailabas yun guys, bibilis at bibilis po tayo. So, grab the opportunity na po 'no, here in Live Good. Start now, okay? So, my link po 'no, this one. Join us, watchfreetour.com. Please watch the 5-minute video and then reach out to me, okay? If you have questions, I can guide you how. If you just want to become a member na just want to get discount sa ating mga products, that is my link, okay? livegood.com/good health for you. Try nyo po yung products. Maganda po ang ating mga products and I get benefit with it. Pwedeng-pwede lang po kayong mag-member if you don't like the business. Pwedeng-pwede po yun. Okay? So sa mga gusto pong affiliate, please reach out to me and we can guide you. And meron po akong mga trainings na ready-made na po no para maka-start po kayo. And then for the posting po no kasi here in Livegood, meron po tayong isang group na puro posters lang or flyers lang. Pwede niyo pong i-grab doon and then you just post it in your Facebook or Facebook page. So hindi na po kayo mahirapan sa marketing side. Okay? Alright, so thanks for watching at gumagabi na po. Salamat sa inyong time. And ayan, stay healthy in an affordable way. Yan po ang aming mission. And good night po sa lahat and thank you and God bless.